In this module, we'll learn about quantile-quantile plot, their usability in statistics. We will also learn how to draw quantile-quantile plot in SPSS, and we will learn how to interpret them. The QQ plot that look like this kind of plot, or a quantile-quantile plot, is a graphical tool that help us to assess if a set of data plausibly come from some theoretical distribution, such as normal or other. Because this is one of the major assumption in many sort of statistical analyses, that our quantitative variable should come from the normal probability distribution. Hence, right now we will learn about normal QQ plot, that how we can use the quantile-quantile plot to determine if a variable has a normal distribution or not. A QQ plot is a scatter plot that is created by plotting two sets of quantiles against each other. One are expected quantiles from the normal distribution, and the other are observed values from the normal distribution. To plot this kind of quantile plot, we simply go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Explore. One can use it from here within the plot command. If you click on Normality Plot with Test, you can simply get the quantile plot. The other way is to go to the Analyze Descriptive and click on QQ plot. In QQ plot, in the Variables tab, you bring the variable that you want to observe, then what distribution does it follow. Like here, our interest is to look at the variable age. And we also want to see if in our data, the variable age follows the normal probability distribution or not. One can also test the other statistical distributions as well. And one can use any of these options to understand what exact distribution age does follow. But right now, we will only look at if age follows the normal probability distribution or not. Once we have brought the variable in, we can put for the distribution parameters, and we can click on that estimate from the data. And there are some other options where we simply click OK. As we hit OK, it gives us output in Output Viewer that gives us the information that what's the estimated distribution parameters. As we have discussed previously, that the normal probability distribution has two parameters. The first is average, that is the location parameter, and it shows that the average age of the respondents in our data is 50.98 years. And the second is standard deviation, which is a scale parameter. It shows that on average, the observations are 16.42 years away from 50.98, which is the center of the data. So these values are estimated from our variable age. And the next plot that's given to us is normal QQ plot. In the normal QQ plot, we look at how these dots are being displayed on this scatter. If these dots make a very, very good, perfect straight line, or they lie right on this line in the middle, which is apparently a 45-degree line, then we say that our data is a good fit to the normal probability distribution, or it is symmetric. But this kind of points at the edges will show that there are some outlying observations, as well as this indicates that it is not perfectly symmetric. since we know normal distribution is a symmetric bell-shaped curve, the presence of these values will give us the hint that no, it is not perfectly bell-shaped. Hence, this is how we interpret the normal quantile-quantile plot, and we use normal quantile-quantile plot to determine that if the distribution of the age is normal or not. We can also get detrended normal QQ plot as well using the same command. Thank you.